and put on the piece of jewelry. No, I did not just tell y'all what the jewelry is. I kind of just gave y'all a hint. Well, maybe you didn't catch it. It's whatever. It's whatever. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carmen Alexis, and thank you for tuning in. Today, I have something very, very special for you guys. I'm really excited about it. This is a first for me, a very, very big accomplishment that I am so proud and just like, you know what I mean? So recently I partnered with this jewelry company called Adorn Pili out of New Jersey. They reached out to me and they asked if I could do an unboxing, do a try on haul, and give a mini review of a piece of jewelry out of their collection of my choice. Now, I'm not gonna tell y'all what I chose, so you can drop what you think the piece is gonna be. Earrings, rings, a bracelet, or a necklace. Let me know. I'll give y'all a second. Go ahead and drop your guesses below. We'll see who turns out to be correct. You did it? Okay, cool. I also wanna just have a moment of silence for this accomplishment. This will be my very first sponsored YouTube video ever. So we're witnessing history here. It's only gonna go up from here. So let's give it up for that. Shout out to God for providing the opportunity. Shout out to Adorn Pili for reaching out to me and trusting me. So today I will be doing an unboxing, a try on, and to make this video a little extra fun, when I do the try on, I'm gonna actually go and change and style the piece from head to toe. I'm gonna get glammed up so you can see the full glory and show y'all how I would wear the piece. So that's gonna be cool because we're gonna have a little glamorous transformation type vibe, and then I'll give a mini review. But before we go any further, I want you to stop what you are doing. If you have not already, like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment of what you think the jewelry piece is gonna be, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Share the video because I got the good stuff coming. And guess what? We're on the rise with this YouTube stuff. Like, I'm getting the hang of it. I'm loving it. I'm having fun. I'm excited. And I feel like the future is really gonna be up for us. You know what I mean? And I say us because I consider y'all the gang. I consider y'all family. Because we in this together. Y'all gonna be tired of me in a minute. Y'all be like, oh, she dropped something again? Oh, she dropped something again? Yes, I did. And go watch it. And then let me know what you think in the comments. Because this is a us thing. And I appreciate you guys for supporting me thus far. Stay tuned, as y'all know. And I'm gonna let y'all in on everything that I can. Turn the post notifications on. We on the route to becoming the new YouTube it girl. The name is Carmen Alexis. Hello. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Here we go. Oh, let me show you. So this is the package. It's silver. It's really cute, actually. I've never seen packaging this way. It says Adorn Pili on here. It has my name. Shout out to God once again. All right, let's do it. Hold on. It's a little sticky, y'all. So we have the packing slip in here that's just saying collab with my name on it. And then we have a card. Oh, look at it. Do you guys see that? I hope you can. That's so pretty, right? And it has the name of it. It's like in the circle with some of the jewels. Okay, so let's read the card. It says, Carmen, thank you so much for helping my small business grow. I hope you love these blank, because I'm not about to, until I open it, I don't want to let you know what it is. I hope you love these blank. They are some of my personal faves. Can't wait to see how you style them. Best, Pili, with a heart. Oh, that's sweet. Love that card. So we already given Adorn Pili some extra points just because it's a handwritten card. It's not printed out. That adds more of a personal feel when you are a business owner of any sort. Just to be honest, you know, you want to have a sense of communication and relationship with your customers. From being self-employed myself, I understand the importance of going the extra mile to let them know that you care. It goes a long way. It sticks with your customers and it keeps them coming back, and it has a rapport. And when you have a rapport, that equals repeat customers. Taking the time to actually physically write the card in your handwriting and say something that you think is motivating, inspiring, and genuinely sweet and nice and kind. It makes it feel like less of a business transaction and more of a friendship, if you would. It's a bond that we're now going on this journey of you supporting me through my progress and things that I drop or the things that I may be doing. That's heading down relationship building, brand building, the lane of community based, which is where you want to be as a business owner. So that's a little tip for y'all. So this is what the packaging looks like. I really like it. I feel like it is stylish but also classic. Understated. It's not doing too much, but it's not doing too little. It says Adorn Pili on here in kind of like a silver shimmery texture. I love the font. So the box is a slider. It has this tab right here on the side that's silver. Once again, cohesive with the text. I like that. Points for style and packaging. Adorn, and all you do is slide it out. Oh, they're so pretty. Wow. I hope you guys can see this. Really pretty. Like, they look like a piece of art. I love these. So if you guessed earrings in the comments, you were correct on the website. If you go to adornpili.com and then go under earrings, then go under cove, and these are the cove citrine. So it definitely has movement. If you can see that, they don't seem to be too heavy. Let's see if I can take them all the way out. Oh, and it has a cushion thing in there. Yeah, I really love the packaging. I feel like they put a lot of thought and consideration into the way that it looks. Like, I would go as far as to keeping it in here because it's very simple. There's the earrings. Yay! Look at that. That is so pretty. And just from me holding these do seem to be lightweight. I'll try them on to verify that, but they seem to be very lightweight. They sparkle, they shine in the light. Oh, citrine. Look at that. That is so pretty, y'all. I'm definitely an earring girl for sure. I'd say my favorite jewelry to wear, the first one would be earrings, and then right after that would be necklaces. Those are my top two. It's giving me very much beachy vibes, you know what I mean? Colors definitely pop on the earrings. All the material looks very high quality, you guys. The gems look real. Like, this seems like a very unique and custom piece. Like, it doesn't look like I can go and buy this out of the store. It's fancy, it is very sophisticated, it's really pretty, it's soft, it's subtle as well. I can definitely see you styling these up if you want to go for a dressy look, but you can also style these down with a t-shirt and jeans and it would still look really, really cute. I see the iridescent colors popping out of the gemstones when you move it, so that's gonna look great. I know this would photograph really, really well. Officially unboxed. Now it is time for the try on, so give me a second. I will go and style this with an outfit of my choosing. From head to toe, I will fix my hair and I will fix my makeup, and then I'll be right back to show you the final look. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, here is the final look. Check me out. What you think? So we were going for very much preppy, posh, schoolgirl vibe, giving Clueless, if you would. And I feel like we delivered. I have a mirror right here, but honestly, like, look at the way these earrings look on me, y'all. The colors are popping, it shines in the light, they sparkle, they dangle, and you know what? I feel glamorous. That's the way that these earrings, the Cove Citrines, are making me feel very glamorous. not only externally but internally as well. I'm loving them, and I can confirm that they are lightweight. Like, I hardly feel that they're on my ears. A surprising fact, because they are rather on the long side and they do dangle. The way that they place these gems on here, it must be proportioned. I love them. They have so much movement. They shine. Like, and honestly, it elevates the look. It came together. So we did the collared white shirt. We did this knitted olive green crop top that I tucked into these high-waisted tan shorts. We added a little jewelry here, just a nice ring that kind of goes into the gold that I also have in the necklace with this green that kind of ties back into the shirt. Like, I'm not the best with makeup, I'm not the most advanced, but I feel like I delivered. Honestly, like look at the material. Run me my beauty ads. Run me my beauty ads. You guys, go ahead and tag and mention Fenty Beauty, CoverGirl, Rimmel London, Bare Minerals, Clean and Clear, Translucent Beauty, NYX Cosmetics. Tag all the beauty people, because I need a campaign. I need some type of billboard. This face deserves that. Like, we're ready. We're ready. I'm a phone call, email away. Let's work. Let's work, let's work, let's collab. Honestly, I would love to collaborate with a lot more small business owners as well, just because I want to see people win. I have a dream, I have a mission, I have a goal. I want to see them win, and I would love to be a part of that. They have tons of options on their website, and I am certain that you will at least find one piece that you love. So for all of those reasons, I'm going to go ahead and give Adorn Pili a thumbs up. That is the seal of approval that I love the brand. I love what they stand for, and I approve the quality of the products. And if you guys end up purchasing something from there, please be sure to let me know. I would love to see what you guys get and how you style it. You can tag me at Carmen Lexis on everything. That's Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook. I keep it very, very simple. One name, at Carmen Lexis. And also go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, because I will be posting the exclusive photos of the full look head to toe right on my Instagram. You guessed it. Nowhere else. You don't want to miss out. You don't miss out. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get what we need to get. The gram's about to be hot. Hot, stylish, lovely photos. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of the unboxing and try on with Adorn Pili. Once again, shout out to our sponsors. I've enjoyed myself. I hope you did as well. And here is to more sponsorships and collaborations with brands in the fashion and beauty space. I would love that. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.